How to set up iProVPN Firefox Extension. iProVPN Firefox Extension is an easy way to control your IP address directly from the web browser. Follow this tutorial to get the extension working on Firefox web browser. Set up iProVPN Firefox Extension. Head to the Firefox add-on store here and add iProVPN to your Firefox browser. Click on the iProVPN logo on the top right corner. Enter your credentials to sign in. Select and connect to any server. Wait for the connection to establish, then start browsing. iProVPN's proxy server will spoof your IP address and allow you to bypass blocked and geo-restricted content. However, for the best security, iProVPN recommends using the desktop app for encrypting all types of traffic.